Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So my phone is charging, so I'm going to try to use my laptop to film this. It's been a couple of times, but I have winnings here from Little Spaceman Papercrafts, who we all love and know as Donna, Clark, and James. And I won her little challenge giveaway that she was doing from her Alice that thing she made from her Alice in Wonderland mini album, and it was beautiful. I have winnings. I'm sorry, I've already opened everything, but because I just have been trying to film this. So she sent me this little card that she made. It's really cute. Here, it's got the Mad Hatter little hat on it, and it's really cute. And it just says, "Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I hope you enjoy your prizes. Crafty love, Donna TJ." So Donna, I know I'm going to love this. So one thing that she gave away was this super clip. And I'm so excited about trying this. It is, put my glasses on so I can see. It is ideal for fastening documents and stuff, and it clips up to 40 sheets at a time. There's this little tool right here, and you put these little metal clips in it. I'm gonna have to find out where she got the clips, because when you do these, but you can fasten papers and stuff together. This will come in really handy. So then, you just wouldn't believe this stuff. So she sent me a little baggie of die cuts, and they're so cute. I need to punch out little pieces of some of the little pieces in them, but it was Alice, little silhouette of Alice, and the rabbit. And I love that these little, you can leave them in there, take them out, and I just punched the little heart out. But here's the rabbit, like the silhouette of a rabbit, and the Mad Hatter, and then all three of them in just like the, I don't know why I can't find words today, y'all. Craft card stock. Donna, I am so going to enjoy playing with this stuff. And you may get some of it back on a project I'm working on. But this is so beautiful. And then she sent me a whole nother little baggie of stuff. And so excited about this. Okay, so first of all, she colored these cute little paper clips for me. How darling are these? So cute. And then these are some little journaling cards. It says, "How do you want to be mad today? We're all mad here." That's so cute. And this one says, "What lesson did you learn today?" That's the reason they're called lessons, because they lesson from day to day. Cute. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. So she sent me those cute little thingies. Oh, I just love these paper clips. I'm going to have to hang on to these, Donna. I can't be sharing those. Sorry. And then she sent this beautiful little journaling cards, or little things for an album. This is a postcard. It says, "Alice Down the Rabbit Hole Wonderland." Isn't that cute? Then this one is the Mad Hatter in the Woods Wonderland. I'm having a feeling this is filming backwards, so I don't know what else to do with this one. And then this is the Queen of Hearts, Heart Castle Wonderland. Isn't these adorable? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Focus. There we go. And then there's some little ones, like this. And this is just too cute. Like this. And I don't know what to do with this, because on the back of it, it's Alice. You know, you have, I don't know. So we'll have to work on that one. And then this. And then there's some little tags. How cute is all this? Oh my goodness. Here's a whole album. And I think I'm going to be doing an altered book with some of these. But look at these little envelopes. How cute is that? And this is the back. I think that's an envelope. Yep, it is. And then here is one that they're really thick, and I think she just glued them together on cardstock. But look at this. Isn't that cute? And then this. I'm telling you, Donna, this is a wonderful prize pack. I'm so excited. And then this. And then another cute little pocket. It has the little rabbit on the corner there. How cute is all of this? Oh my gosh, Donna. Thank you so much. This is just so amazing. I am going to treasure them. Don't know if I'll be able to use them. I can't hoard, but I could. So then she sent me 2 sheets of these. Look how sticky cute the little tags are. Alright, camera, focus, focus. There we go. And I'm thinking maybe I can copy these, because I think they're program free. We wish you all the creativeness in the world to make this freebie sparkle. Personal use only. VictoriaDesigns.etsy.com. So these were free. And then they have these little wonder tickets. Look how cute. And then these journaling cards, and there's 2 of these. They're the same, so I'm just going to hold up one. Trying to look to see if my camera's still filming. This thing's acting so goofy, I don't even know if this is going to make it or not. And then there's 2 sheets. One says Drink Me, and it has different pictures of Alice on there. And some of these images, I have the same ones in my coloring book. And then this one that says Evening. How cute is this? So that was my winnings from Donna, Clark, and James. Thank you so much, Donna. I really appreciate all of it. I can't wait to try out this. And you guys are going to see this in a future project. All these wonderful, wonderful cards and stuff. So I really appreciate it, Donna. Thank you so much. And you guys, if you've not subscribed to her channel yet, please head over to Little Spaceman Papercrafts here on YouTube and hit that little subscribe button. And don't forget to tap the bell for her. And Donna's a wonderful, wonderful artist. She creates so many lovely things. So head over and check her out. And I will link her below down in the description box. So, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting that little button up there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be back here at 7 p.m. sharp to start our Thursday night live. I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing a reverse canvas. I told Carmen this the other week when I was watching their Friday night live with her and Sazon, and I told them that I was going to be doing a reverse canvas, and she was going to be doing a reverse canvas that Saturday, but it doesn't matter. So, but I'm excited about mine because I'm making a wall hanging that involves 3 canvases. So yes, so make sure you come back at 7 o'clock tonight to check that out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.